Here are some critical tips about landlord-tenant law that you should know before you sign your first rental agreement. Know your right to receive an itemized list of any deductions made on your security deposit if the landlord refuses to return any part when you leave. A security deposit serves as security for the landlord against damages or unpaid rent. To protect yourself, take detailed pictures of any damages, defects, or wear and tear of the rented space before you move in for future reference. Because when the landlord withholds deposits, they usually will take their own pictures before making deductions so they can support it with evidence. You need to do the same. Tenants can sue their landlord for wrongful withholding of the security deposit. Remedies vary by state, but there's usually a penalty against landlords for wrongfully withholding the deposit. So those pictures before moving in are crucial. Every tenant is entitled to a habitable living space. This includes a safe and sanitary environment with functioning essential utilities such as water, electricity, and heating. It also includes addressing structural issues like pest infestation and health hazards. Every tenant deserves a safe living environment. Adequate security infrastructure and safety guidelines should always be in place. Your right of privacy includes limiting the landlord's visits to your home. Such visits should be pre-notified and must respect your personal space. Inspections should mostly occur during business hours and with a minimum of 24 hours notice. Any infringement on these norms is a violation of privacy. Your landlord should be responsible for all essential repairs. In case they refuse, you have recourse. If your landlord doesn't fix the problem upon request, you can fix it yourself and deduct the cost of repairs from rent. The lease should clearly define who's responsible for maintenance of the property, including these minor repairs. Having agreements in writing will help prevent conflicts down the line, so review your lease carefully before you sign it. To avoid disputes, communicate with your landlord in writing and save everything, including immediate notice of any problems with the property and request for repairs, so you don't get blamed for damages or withholding rent when you pay for the repairs yourself. Knowing these rights and how to enforce them will help you avoid becoming a victim and improve your renting experience.